This is an IHOP. Yep. Look, Ma. They're so colorful.
I think that was a bandtail puffer. Look at the sign.
You gotta touch them, Ma. Touch them. Yeah, touch it. Give me your glasses.
I can't touch them.
Yes. That's what the ticket is for. She said touch them, get warmed up, and then you're gonna feed them. She's gonna show you how to feed them.
These things are never right.
No, they don't. Two fingers. Just use your two fingers.
Their mouth is kind of underneath their body. They're like little Roombas in your ocean. So when they come up to you, they're going to come up nose first at you. And they're going to open these things at the top of their head that kind of look like a mouth. More like a instead, you'll pinch the fish so it sticks out half your hand. Your hand flat on the wall so it just sticks out. And then you're going to slide all the way underwater. Get that whole fish wet. And they'll come up and kind of slurp over that to your mouth. It does feel weird, but it doesn't hurt. If you just kind of hang out on the wall. Open them up. You say, you don't have a fish. You're not fooling me.
Oh, look.
So we're not going to feed those catfish for it. The ones that have like the pointy nose. They don't get in the street. There we go.
This one knows what it means when you're up here. You okay?
Ready to try it with the fish? Yeah.
Yeah, the heights. That's right. I forgot. You got vertigo. So come over here and stand right here so you can look straight. Oh my God. They are big. These.
And they look plain. They look like they were small and they got big.
Yeah. Look at the turtle.
Where?
Tortoise. See, that's up ahead. Up, look up, look up. It's huge, right?
Yeah.
That's a tortoise. You see how he has fins and not feet?
What is tortoise? The turtle got feet?
Yeah, turtle has claws. Tortoises have fins.
So they can swim.
Mm-hmm.
The turtles live under the water. Why do they got feet?
The way they developed, yeah, the way they're designed for swimming, and turtles are on the land. Look at him. He like, yeah, look at me. That's right. Strike a pose.
Yeah.
It's so big though. Oh my gosh. That's a stingray right there.
Oh yeah. That look like the thing that was.
It did, but that's not it. Yeah, you see that's soft. It doesn't have that hard of a shell like that. That was a crustacean that we saw. I don't know what kind, but
Bless you. Bless you. We meet again, huh?
Let's let them have feet.
Okay. Now we're. The rattlesnake, they have the tail that go like that.
mm-hmm.
Easy. Yeah, his tail was a rattle though.
Yeah.
That's the tail right there.
Mm-hmm.
Take a rattle. His neck is small. The rest of him is big.
Yeah.
They can digest and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, how you put them in the mouth? Their mouth like this, so they stretch this.
They dislocate their jaw. So that must be one too. Yeah, if you want me to take a picture of something, just tell me. Yeah. Ooh, he looks like he's glaring at us too.
He's winking.
Yeah. He sure did.
No, shit.
He's like.
Yeah, well, I go to this girl pack. I ain't got You think they're good? And I'll buy them. You know, I don't like them either, but I don't really do. shit hurt.
They're kids.
Randy didn't know they quit too.
No, not thinking if you anybody that get up on the glass, they probably yeah. I'm gonna get over here.
Nathan, she wants the video. Here.
Oh, it's fine. It looked like he was following him when he was. He looking at us like, what you want? What? Do you find me entertaining?
Yeah.
Are you not entertained? Yeah, he's really looking at us. I don't, these are newer, this is a, a Google Pixel phone.
Could pause. I didn't even know it could pause. I kept turning it off.
Rat snake, oh my gosh. Oh wow. That's how real leather snake skin feels. He's so calm too.
Well, he's a pet. He's like a dog or a cat.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, they make a great pet. You don't have to pick them outside when they go to poop. You don't have to comb their fur. Not
It's
his
okay,
head,
Mom.
Not his head. Okay.
Huh? Not his head. He's sensitive. He's sensitive.
Hey, girls. Y'all want to meet Remy? There you go.
I'm sorry, I got the feeling one more time. That is so cool.
right,
Thank you.
good deal.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you. 2 fingers on his back, okay?
All locations are clearly open. To use a life jacket, bring the strap around your waist and fasten it